In the rapidly evolving world of technology, machines are not just tools, they are the backbone of innovation across various industries. From simplifying tasks to boosting productivity, machines have become integral in helping us achieve more in less time. At Sam Tech, we delve into the incredible ways machines are revolutionizing our work and driving us toward a future of limitless possibilities. Precision farming machines, such as GPS-guided tractors, automated irrigation systems, and drone technology, are transforming agriculture. These machines allow farmers to apply water, fertilizers, and pesticides more accurately, leading to higher crop yields and reduced environmental impact. By adopting precision farming techniques, farmers can maximize their productivity and ensure sustainable agriculture. Robotic construction machines, including automated bricklayers and 3D concrete printers, are changing the face of the construction industry. These technologies enhance precision, speed up building processes, and reduce the need for manual labor. With robotic construction, companies can complete projects faster and with higher quality, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in architecture and infrastructure. In manufacturing, automation is the key to staying competitive. Machines like robotic welders, assembly lines, and automated inspection systems streamline production processes, reduce errors, and increase output. By implementing automated manufacturing, businesses can scale up their operations, cut costs, and deliver products faster, meeting the demands of a global market. Advanced transport machines, such as autonomous trucks, electric delivery vehicles, and drone technology, are revolutionizing logistics and supply chains. These innovations offer faster, safer, and more environmentally friendly ways to move goods. By integrating advanced transport machines, companies can reduce shipping times, lower costs, and minimize their carbon footprint. Machines used in renewable energy, such as solar panel installers, wind turbine maintenance robots, and smart grid systems, are critical for sustainable growth. These technologies harness natural resources to produce clean energy, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. By investing in renewable energy machines, industries can drive economic growth while protecting the environment. Medical robots, including surgical robots, robotic prosthetics, and automated pharmacy systems, are revolutionizing healthcare. These machines enable more precise surgeries, improve patient outcomes, and streamline medical procedures. By incorporating medical robotics, Healthcare providers can offer higher quality care and expand their services to more patients. Telecommunication machines, like satellite networks, fiber optic cables, and 5G technology, are expanding global connectivity. These advancements facilitate faster communication, real-time data transfer, and global collaboration. By leveraging cutting-edge telecommunication machines, businesses can operate more efficiently, reach wider audiences, and innovate faster. Retail automation machines, such as AI-powered customer service kiosks, automated checkout systems, and inventory robots, are transforming the shopping experience. These technologies reduce wait times, improve inventory management, and provide personalized shopping experiences. By adopting retail automation, businesses can enhance customer satisfaction and increase sales. Mining technology, including autonomous drills, ore sorters, and mine mapping drones, is revolutionizing the extraction of natural resources. These machines enhance safety, increase efficiency, and reduce environmental impact. By utilizing advanced mining technology, companies can access valuable resources more effectively and responsibly. In the food industry, automation machines like robotic chefs, automated packaging systems, and AI-driven quality control are ensuring that food production is faster, safer, and more consistent. These technologies help companies meet the increasing demand for food while maintaining high standards of safety and quality. Fintech machines, such as blockchain-based transaction systems, AI-driven financial advisors, and mobile payment platforms, are simplifying financial services. These technologies offer faster, more secure transactions and personalized financial advice. By adopting fintech innovations, companies can streamline their financial operations and offer better services to customers. Warehouse robotics, including automated picking systems, sorting robots, and AGVs, are revolutionizing storage and distribution. These machines improve the speed and accuracy of warehouse operations, reduce labor costs, and enhance inventory management. By implementing warehouse robotics, businesses can meet customer demands more efficiently and scale their operations. Precision machining technologies, such as CNC machines, laser engravers, and waterjet cutters, are advancing manufacturing capabilities. These machines allow for the production of intricate components with high precision, reducing waste and speeding up production. By adopting precision machining, manufacturers can innovate faster and produce higher quality products. AI machines, including predictive maintenance tools, smart manufacturing systems, and AI-driven supply chain management, are transforming operations across industries. By integrating industrial robotics, businesses can optimize their production lines and achieve higher levels of productivity. As we continue to innovate, machines remain at the forefront of our progress, helping us to push boundaries and achieve new levels of success. At Samtech, we explore how these technological advancements are reshaping industries and driving us toward a future filled with endless possibilities. Embracing these machines not only helps us grow our work but also opens up new horizons for what we can achieve in the ever-evolving world of technology.